Hello, reviewers. If you are watching this video, you should see your name listed in this purple box for the reviewers team for our literary magazine production team. So there are two links in this purple box. The first is the link to the tutorial that you're watching right now. The second is the link to the website folder. So you're going to click on that link, and it will open up a Google Drive folder that has the website, this document, and it's got a folder that has all of the writing submissions in it. So let's start by opening up the website, and this is what you're going to be working in, and you will be putting the pieces onto the website. So when you first open it up, you'll see a menu on the right-hand side, and there is a tab called Pages. You're going to click on that, and you'll see all of the different sections of the website listed. So depending on what section you're going to be working in, you're going to click on that page. So let's say you are working in the essays section. So you can click on essays, and there's a little triangle here. You can click on that triangle, and that will open up all of the subpages in the essays section. So I'm going to click on this first subpage here. And this page that says title of piece is a template that allows you to see what all of the pieces are going to look like in general. All right, so I'm going to do a piece as an example to show you how it works. So we'll go back to the Google Drive folder. And to access the pieces, you're going to click on the Upload Your Writing folder. And inside of there, you'll see two folders. You're going to work with the Fall 2021 folder. And you'll see inside of the Fall 2021 folder, there are several folders that all relate to the different sections of the website. So if I'm working in the Essays section, I'm going to click on the Essays folder. And inside of there, I'll see all of the essays that have been submitted and approved for the literary magazine. So let's take one example. I'm going to open up this first piece here. And whenever you open up a piece, you'll see the author's name, you'll see a title for the piece, you'll see the text of the piece, and then at the bottom, you'll see author commentary or author's commentary, and you'll see the text of the author's commentary. So we're going to be putting those four pieces of information into the web page. So here's what we'll do. We're going to go back to the website, and we are going to create a page for this piece. So to do that, when you're on the title of piece document, you're going to click on the three dots next to it, and you can select duplicate page. And here for the name, we're going to put the title of the piece. So I am going to go back to the piece and copy and paste the title. And I like to select paste as plain text. That's going to be helpful for you. And it looks like there's a typo here, so we're going to fix that. Oh. And let me make sure we've got the title correct. It's always good to fix typos when you see them. That way you don't create problems further down the road. The other thing I'm going to do is correct the capitalization. So with titles, the first letter of each word should be capitalized, except for words like and, a, the, to, right? When those are in the middle of the title, we don't capitalize those. But everything else should have appropriate capitalization. There we go. So now I can click done, and you'll see what that did was it duplicated the page. It created a new page with the title of that document. Now you don't see the title up here because we still have to paste that here. So I'm going to make this a little easier for myself, and I'm going to click on these three dots and click properties. And since I corrected the capitalization here, I'm going to just copy it. And I'm going to paste it here. There we go. And there you have your title. Now, if you want, you can adjust the size of it so that it doesn't take up so much space if necessary. But the typesetting team is going to be working on that also, so you can leave it if you'd like. All right, so the next thing we're going to put on the page is the author's name. So let's go back here, and the author's name is Miguel Lainez. So we are going to copy that, and I'm going to select author's name. And again, I'm going to right-click or double tap here and select paste as plain text. That allows me to keep the formatting that's there. All right. And I'm also going to type the word by. Now I'm ready to paste the text of the piece. So I'm going to select it. And I'm going to bring up the menu and copy. And I'm going to select the paste text here. And I'm going to paste as plain text. There we go. And you can see the text is in there. Next, you're going to paste the author's commentary. So you'll leave this where it says author's commentary, and we're going to go back to the document, select the author's commentary, copy that, select paste text here, and we're going to paste as plain text. And there you go. Now, we don't have feedback yet, so we'll leave that as is. I'm going to take out the paste text here, there, and we'll leave that page as is. And now you're done. So your completed page should have the title of the piece with appropriate capitalization. It should have the author's name. It should have the text of the piece. It should have a section that says author's commentary, and it should have the text of the author's commentary. And that's it. So the last thing we'll do here is to let our team members know that this piece has been finished and uploaded. And to do that, we'll go back to the piece. And up here where the file name is listed, I'm just going to type the word finished in all caps. And I'm going to set that as the name of the document. So now when I close the document and I go back to the folder, I should see, and I may need to reload the page, but now I should see that the document is still in there, but it has the word finished. And that way, when you're going to put more documents on the website, if you see a document that has the word finished in the name, then you know that that document has already been added to the website, and you should not add that one a second time. So you'll repeat this process for each document in the section that you're working on. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you and have fun.